This video will cover the steps for packing up a Coleman Tenaya Lake tent. The first step is to remove and tie up the 6 guy lines on the fly. Now, disconnect the fly hooks and Velcro loops. Remove the fly and spread it out on the floor inside of the tent. Remove the poles from the door. Remove the closet poles. I forgot to do this initially. That is why it is out of order in this video. Remove the vertical wall poles. Start with the corners, then the middle. I discovered it is easier to remove the bottom of the pole first. Place all of the loose poles in the proper storage bag. Disconnect and collapse the roof poles and place in the roof pole storage bag. Remove the stakes and place in the storage bag. Fold the tent from the ends towards the door. The fold should be slightly wider than the pole storage bag. Fold about 1/3 of the tent in, then roll the tent with the pole bag in the center. Use the included ties to secure the rolled tent. Place the rolled tent in the storage case and carefully close the zipper. All done. Thanks for watching.